Ballad, Schmallad by MLee Dickens'sons. Narrated by Casper Michaels. A Sunday random poem. Ballad, Schmallad. Who cares how others used to sing and never wrote it down? What difference does it make to cling to ditties sung by clowns? I sing whatever I want, wherever I want, and what I care to chant. If I sing ballads, they would haunt my brain. So I just can't. Don't tell me how to do it, friend, because I don't need no one to bind me up and make me bend. I sing because it's fun. I'll diddle where I feel like diddling, dum-da-dum my drum. So leave me be without your fiddling. Ballad singing's dumb. Here ends the lesson. I'm Casper Michaels. Thank you for listening. Barkeep, I'll have another.